In this section, we will talk about CCNP Enterprise Certification Exams Overview. Let's start with the Cisco certification path. Cisco has 5 different levels in its current certification path, which has been updated recently. And the path is beginning with entry and going with associate, expert, architect, and the professional one. CCNP is belonging to professional level, and we have various CCNPs today: CCNP Enterprise, Collaboration, Data Center, CCNP Security, and CCNP Service Provider, and we have DevNet Professional also, which is really new, and we'll focus on the most popular CCNP certification, which is going to be the CCNP Enterprise in our training. So what is CCNP Enterprise? Software and networking become more and more interconnected every day, guys. And technology advances are enabling new applications and businesses that connect everything. I mean, the people, devices, machines, and the applications. And with intent-based networking, organizations can take the advantage of automation to scale and secure their networking infrastructure. To capitalize on these opportunities, today's networking professionals need a really broader range of skills and deeper focus in strategic technology areas. The new CCNP Enterprise Certification Program will exactly give you that breadth and depth. And CCNP Enterprise Certification is designed to help you to prove your skills in the ever-changing landscape of enterprise networking technologies. This certification covers core technologies and an enterprise focus area of your choice. You choose where you want to focus, and you choose where you want to take your career actually as a general point of view. Yes, as I told you, Cisco has introduced a new certification called CCNP Enterprise, and this certification is a combination of previous CCNP routing and switching and some wireless. So if you want to earn the new CCNP Enterprise, the first exam you need to clear is Anchor exam. The exam code of Anchor is 350-401. Okay, that is the core exam that you need to pass. And secondly, you choose one of the concentration exams that you can see in here. There are 6 concentration exams, and you choose one of them, and if you clear if you clear the Anchor and one of those certification exams, you can successfully get the CCNP Enterprise. So these concentration exams are optional. Cisco aspirants need to do one of the 2 exams to earn CCNP, as I told you, and after the respective core exam, for each CCNP certification, concentration exams take a deeper dive into a relevant and related technology to the core, allowing the candidate to choose a topic that is either of interest or related or his or her chosen technology area of focus. And what we're gonna do in our training? In our training, we will concentrate on most popular one, which is classic routing and switching included in NRC. And NRC is Enterprise Advanced Routing and Services. So as a brief, if you want to be a CCNP in the past, you should have passed CCNP route, CCNP switch, and CCNP T-shoot exams. But this is the previous scenario. This is not valid now. And now you need to pass the Anchor plus a concentration exam, and this is gonna be the most popular one, which is ENRC for our training. So let's have a look to an overview of the exam also. The exam code is, as I told you, 350-401. This is for the Anchor, and 300-410. This is for the NRC. And the validity, if you get the CCNP Enterprise certification, the certification will be valid for 3 years, which is really good. So when it comes to the prerequisites, there are no prerequisites now. So before, if you want to become a CCNP, you should have passed the CCNA exam, but there is nothing like that now. So there are no prerequisites, but that should be good, surely, to have some networking basics and CCNA knowledge. That could be really good. And duration of the exam is 120 minutes for Anchor, and that is going to be 90 minutes for NRC. Sample exam questions can be found on the Cisco webpage, which we will also have a look on our next section. And to schedule your exam, you can book from the Pearson VUE website. And what is the passing score? The passing score really varies, but it's traditionally around 800 and 850 out of 1000 for almost every Cisco certification exam. And here are the contents that we are going to focus on CCNP Enterprise training. So this exam will test your knowledge and skills related to Layer 3 technologies, infrastructure services, infrastructure security, and VPN technologies. These are for NRC. And for Anchor, you will be tested for architecture, virtualization, infrastructure, network assurance, security, and automation. But wait a second. If you have no idea about those topics, even don't worry. We are gonna be covering every and each topic on the CCNP NRC and CCNP Anchor exam blueprint in our training.